Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, I have explained to you what is the support vector machine and how to build that model and train, test, and visualize the results. And in this video, I will continue with decision tree. So, what is a decision tree? And actually, the decision tree is where we can decide and simplifies their decision making process. So, in the simple statement, I can tell that it is a type of flowchart which helps in decision making process. This simple way, I can tell that it is a type of flowchart or diagram which helps in decision making process. That's it. It is nothing more than that. Okay. So first step will be my extract data. Next step will be my to check what are the null values which comes under the EDA, which is also called explanatory explanatory data analysis. To where I will check the whether it contains null values or not, and what is the type of the data it contains, and everything about the data frame. Next, feature extraction. After the feature extraction, I will build a model building for the decision tree. Next, I will evaluate the model evaluation. In the sixth step, visualize the graph. Okay, so these are the steps that to be followed for the decision tree. So what are the steps? Once again, extract data. After extracting data, I will check whether null values are or not in the EDA. If the column contains integer or float or object, and in the feature extraction, I will take out the train test split for 30% of data for the testing and 70% of the data for training. And in the model, I will fit that training set. And after model fitting, I will check the model is trained proper, not by using the evaluation metrics using MEA, mean absolute error, squared error, R2 score, test score, and training score. After that, I will visualize the tree map and decision making graph. I will make the graph for decision tree. That's it. These are the steps to be taken. So, in the next video, I will implement those steps. Stay tuned. Thank you.